for the...
Hello, everyone. Chapter 5, Radicals. It's a short and sweet chapter. We're doing Learn and Target 1. This is Miss Osier.
And Miss Lahar.
And here we go. So.
All right, we talked about this in class. I don't know if you said index, but it is an index number.
I said index.
Okay, so now you're going to learn how to deal with things that are higher than 2. Cube roots, 4th roots, 5th roots, 6th roots, any roots we can throw at you.
N roots.
Ooh, N roots. Okay.
So you have your index, you have a radicand, and you have the radical symbol. This entire thing is referred to as a radical that has an index of 3 and a radicand of 27.
Yep. And simplifying is really the same rules as it is for a quadrat or a square root.
Yep.
Wow.
Just now you're doing it with a cube root. So write down a couple terms of the perfect cubes, 4th, 5th. It's just good to know a few of the basics.
Yep.
Like 2 cubed is 8.
Yep.
3 cubed is 27.
But if you struggle at that, my advice is immediately write down a few so you know which factors you're looking for.
Now, if you have variables, separate them into multiples of the index number. So just like when we did the index of 2, you could divide by 2. If it's an index of 3, you divide by 3.
Yep.
Etc.
So divide the exponent, rewrite your answer, boom. So let's do a few examples. Ugh, 6th root.
The 6th root of 128. So first of all, I need to figure out what some things to the 6th power are.
Yep.
So I might just quickly jot down 1, 2, and 3 to the 6th power.
They get big quick, as you can see.
Right? Like it's either 64 or bust at this point.
Yep.
So I'm going to do 128 divided by 64, and that's in fact 2.
Now be careful. What number times itself 6 times is 64?
2.
2. So the 2 pops out front, and the 6. Don't forget your index number 2. I know that's a small little number, but if you don't put it there, that assumes that it's a square root.
Right. It will affect it.
Okay?
All right.
Ooh.
So 486. Now we're dealing with a 4th root. So again, I'm going to jot down some 4th roots really quick. Once I get to 5 to the 4th, I'm over. So I would start at 256 if I was guessing checking. 81 is going to work with 6. So again, what to the 4th power is 81? 3.
Okay, and then you just rewrite.
So pretty.
Yep. All right. Oh my God. A negative.
There's a negative. Impossible. No solution.
No, it can happen in odd radical index numbers.
Yes, it can, because think about it. What's -1 times -1 times -1?
-1.
Boom.
So it works.
If you didn't catch on, basically, even things when you multiply them, negatives will always cancel out.
Yep.
Negative things when you multiply them in an odd number
Yep.
won't cancel out.
Right.
Okay.
Even good, odd, bad. I don't know. Well, I mean, it's not bad, but
just
whatever.
The way it works.
All right, so here we go.
Odd looking, because there's a negative and we're scared.
Ooh. All right, so cube roots. So let me think of some cube roots. I hope I pop some. Oh, that goes away.
Ooh.
Look at that graphic.
Boom.
All right, so I'm looking at my numbers. I'm probably thinking 125.
Probably.
I like 5s.
Yep.
Okay, so now I know this is a big step, but remember, you're looking for multiples of 3. So a to the 8, what's the closest multiple of 3 to 8?
6.
6.
We
So
don't
you-
go up to 9. We have to go down.
So that means I broke that up to a to the 6 and a squared. Does that go back to a to the 8th? Yes. Always check your math.
So 5, what's the closest multiple of 3? That would be 3. So 3 and 2 make 5, because again, when you multiply your variables, the exponents are added.
All right, so then the cube root of -125 is -5.
Yes, we always take the negative out.
Ooh, look at me. It's going to pop up. A to the 6. Remember, divide 6 by 3.
And
That
that's
should
the
be
A
2.
to the 2.
No.
A to the 2. That's a 2, people.
Way to go, Miss. Oh, I got that one
Okay,
right.
3 divided by 3 is 1.
Darn it. Oh, I
We
fixed it
There
there.
we go. So it's -5 a squared. B, the 1 is implied, but if you feel better writing it, write it. Cubed root of 5a squared b squared.
Yep. See? Same tactic as quadratic, just thinking different numbers.
So let's do another one. 5th root.
Ooh.
So as you can see, it's pretty much 2 or it's not a 5th root.
Yep. So 32 definitely can break up. X to the 7th, closest multiple is 5, so that's 5 to 2. And then 6, closest multiple is 5 and 1. Okay.
Perfect.
Let's see if I got this right. Oh, that's correct.
So 2 got us there. 5 divided by 5 is in fact 1.
Yes.
5
And then-
divided by 5 is still in fact 1.
So those 2 pop out front, and your final answer goes within.
So everything that didn't have a 5th root stays inside.
Yep.
That's it. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you in class. Get your work done.
Peace.